Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set quick note template on the StarNote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find the different buttons. New, if you just set a quick note template, just go to the upper left corner of the home screen, click the second icon, the settings, and in the left bar you can find the document settings section, and here you can find the quick note default template, the first option. Click that, and here you can set the paper of the note, the cover color, and others. And if you finish, click to the apply button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.